This will tell you if he's an L-Mans.
Yo!
L-Mans.
Was that 3 rings? Was that 3 rings?
Yeah, that's brother right there.
Yo, that's crazy.
Dang, bro, you two back again, man. You know you ain't see our beautiful faces in a minute. Today we got a good video for y'all today. We about to shoot threes. Last one to make it, go skydiving. I'm back! Yo, move! We got the Beast bars, man. These nuts. What flavor is this? Chocolate sea salt.
I love these nuts.
You want these nuts?
I want those nuts.
You want these nuts?
I want these nuts. That was a good dad.
That was a good dad. I'm putting these nuts in my mouth.
Alright, now
yo, wait, can we do a taste test with one?
No, now you're
taste test with one. Taste test, right?
Pause.
Alright, ain't no pause. Resume, nigga.
Hey, yeah.
Alright, we all gonna try it. Give your honest opinion about MrBeast bar.
Give me some of these nuts.
It's shit. No, I'm just kidding. It's fire, it's fire, it's fire. I like it.
Yeah, it's just my
texture. Spread it over all 9,000 taste buds.
I can tell there's not a lot of sugar in it. I like that. It's very good. It tastes like coffee.
I like MrBeast with matcha chocolate.
We love I love these nuts, MrBeast. Post interview.
What are your fears right now going through your head?
Honestly, I really don't know.
Yeah, he said he's not scared at all. He's lying, right?
Yo, you can even feel my heart.
It's way up there.
Where is it?
Look near the sun. Oh my god. Wait, Kai, hold these real quick. Look, he's in there spinning. Yo.
Yo, I'm gonna be like, ah!
That's what year model you're jumping out of. At 1956.
Wait, what year?
1856. Yo, Jay, look. Do.
It's not do.
Yo, he's scared.
It's not do.
Wait, hold up. Yo! Oh, bro, I'm getting. Oh! Yo, that's my hit his knees.
That's a GTA.
Look, post interview with. How we feeling right now?
Honestly, just a little bit nervous.
A little bit nervous. Look, you see him landing in right there? Go!
I'm a little sad it's not me going up in the sky.
Wait, you want to?
Nigga, yeah. I've been saying this for years. Everybody know that.
Bro, I would never. Yeah, I'm supposed to.
Yeah, I don't know what.
No, he's really supposed to.
So there's 2 for 1 special. We can ride up a ways for 100.
You want to do it?
I'll give you the other 50.
Kind for you. Is he allowed to?
What?
Cause
I'm allowed to, right?
If he's not jumping, because he's not 18.
Yeah, you can go and play for top space, right?
Hey, let me see your gritty.
Hold on top
Wait,
of
what are
this.
you scared for?
Bro, I've never been in a plane. I'm scared of heights, bro.
Yeah, I feel you. Wisdom's definitely about to eat this shit.
I'm about to say, how you feel about your brother's skydiving?
Yeah, this man's about to eat this shit.
Stop swinging so much.
My bad. Restart that.
Me and Kama going to plane right now. If I don't make it back in time, I hope y'all meet Andrew Tate. I send my condolences. Like,
So you vouched for the nosedive, and he don't want to.
bro, I don't want to, bro. I already got butterfly, bro. The Superman I went on was straight down. This is gonna be like 100 times that. The Superman was like 100 feet in the air. This is 10,000. Nice.
Yeah, I think Wisdom holding up right now.
Bro, Wisdom is panicking.
You feeling nervous?
A little bit, but I'm impatient with this. Yo, we about to get Big Bro to go fill this up. Yo, it says driver's license or ID.
Yo, just plug it in, bro.
Which one do I put?
Plug it in.
It's all the same thing?
Yeah. Yo, you're about to be 10,000 feet in the air. Yo, now we can see if the firmament is real.
Yes, I will.
Oh my god.
I'm telling Eli in the car.
Yo, we can see if the
So
firmament
we
is
need
real.
to go high. Alright, we're done.
We done?
Sure.
Let's go.
Me and Freedom about to join the Mile High Club.
What does that mean?
Oh, you'll know.
Wait, Jay, what's the Mile High Club?
I don't know. What is that? Oh, I think I know.
Wait, so what are you going up for?
Bro, I've never been on a plane. I'm just here. You feel me? Are you scared?
I hope the plane goes down so I can jump for free.
Can I just said I gotta get there. What if his shoes fall off in the air? Bro, I would cry.
If I was a random person, I'm stealing it. I'm coming up on a new pair.
Bro, if his shoe fell off in the air, I would cry, yo.
What are you asking him?
Oh, he gave us permission to when they're gliding already, so he can pull out and like promote this, and, like eat it or
See,
something.
you guys should have came with me, and I'll show you my stuff.
Oh.
I eat chicken wings.
Oh, what the heck?
No way.
Sushi?
You had the whole platter.
Yo, what? Wait, how did that fall off?
Can he make a phone call up there?
Yeah.
Yo, he has someone who's eating a chicken
He said you can make a phone call in the air if you want to.
Come with me real quick now. Good luck.
Here, put your hands. You put your hold your hands right here. Yep, and right there. I want to make sure that you get this properly on your waist there. This should be about belly button height. Just make sure to go up a little more. Where's your belly button?
Kai, your shit is empty.
What do you say?
Kai, your shit is empty, bro.
Daredevil stuff.
You don't got no bag on you, bro.
Daredevil stuff.
For the people that was really trying to hold me back from what I'm trying to do in my life, my lifestyle, suck my dick. Any last words? What do you got to tell the people? I'm always gonna be legendary, regardless. Respect.
Man, if I don't make it back, man, say a bird flying the wing or something, man. Yo, Wiz, look at me. Yo, Wiz, look at me. Yo, can his thing breathe?
Hey, yo, that nigga was violent.
Yo, don't unstrap nothing.
He was strapping.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna really look like a fucking eagle.
Wiz, keep it like this.
I said any last
Look.
words. He said, I'm gonna fall looking good. I'm gonna do me. What? What are you talking about?
I said I look good and I'm gonna
Wiz,
look good.
what he got it, Wiz, show the camera, yell MrBeast, and then boom.
Yeah, I don't see MrBeast yelling our name. Jumping off shit.
That nigga is wild.
Yo, dude. Yo, Jaden. You're doing a phenomenal job. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I would do that again. But nah, that was scary. It's too scary.
That was fun.
Yeah, my ears. Yo, I couldn't. I was gonna cry, but yo, I was too scared. I'm speechless right now. Yeah. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah. Enjoy your candy bar, right?
No, I'm saying I was too scared to even unravel it. I was thinking we're falling because you did that.
Yeah, a little bit of toggle.
Yeah.
You think you're gonna do it again?
Yeah, I think I could do it again. Thank you guys so much.
All right, yeah.
My brother's not alive! Yo, I'm happy to be back up now. Yo, that's what happened to win? I got it. First, so the first people went, but they took a little long to go. So Wisdom and the other guy missed the opportunity, and they missed the second time too because we were stuck in the clouds. They said something about a wall. If they would have jumped out, they wouldn't have made it out the clouds. Yo, and then he said this is your last opportunity. Wiz wouldn't let go of the bar. Oh shit! Go! Look, Wiz hold on to the bar. The dude said, "Come on." He said, "Come on!" Yo, bro. Who's like, no, bro, it's so cold out there.
I'm thinking, yo, bro's about to waste money for no reason.
Yo, yeah, it's cold, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I was freezing.
It be cold out there, boy.
It's cold, bro. Wait, was it crying?
Bro, yo, this nigga was shaking. He was like, he got the plane. He was like, I love you guys.
Nigga, when we got lower, it got warmer. I'm like, yo, that's cool.
Pussy, bro.
Bro, Daddy, bro, I would never do that again, bro.
Yeah, that joint was fire.
No, I'll never do it again.
I felt like I was going to my home planet.
Hell
I'm
no.
back here though.
You gotta go.
Bro, nigga wanna act cool now.
Wisdom threw us a chocolate bar. He was not trying to do it, bro. And then the guy put it in his pocket.
You didn't open it up?
Please get a picture with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
He kept trying to say, this will keep you calm. I'm like, yo, there ain't nothing scary in that. Bro, I was trying to keep myself from like passing out like this.
Yeah, I was like, what you need is a chocolate bar.
It's straight whiteness, bro. That drink was
Yo,
crazy.
that was the scariest thing I've ever done. And I didn't even know which way.
Wait, would you do it again?
I always wonder what clouds felt
Yeah,
like.
that's how scary it was, bro.
It's so scary you would do it again.
Yes,
what sense
bro.
do that make?
He said I jumped in the complete.
The worst thing is your ears hurt the most. Like, I feel like they've been stabbed.
Wait, you said nowhere go. Yeah, what was that?
I don't know, cause
The dude at first, he's like, go.
Yo, the dude out there, he was like this and stuff.
Yeah, he was like
they
this.
talking about not to go and stuff. I'm like, yo, we gotta turn back. Like,
Probably with
Yeah, it was like World War up there. We all yelling and stuff. I'm like, where's him go? Bro, this is crazy. You would not let go first.
Get off that bar, man.
nah, bro, I felt like it was in a video game. Like,
Bro,
nah,
look.
that shit was
It did nothing.
Bro, that's crazy. Bro, Jay, it was cold up there.
Wait, how's the nose down?
yo,
Boy, my ears was, bro, I couldn't feel my ears,
yo, but
bro.
straight off the jump,
Oh
if
my
you
God.
do see it, I did let go like that,
Yeah,
and I was like this.
You ruined our chance with him, bro.
Wait, you didn't get that in the camera?
I did.
Oh.
Nah, he has his end.
Take a bite.
Wait,
Take a bite.
Take a bite, yeah, you gotta take a bite now.
No,
Eli, let me get that
bro,
one.
I was too scared to even. I couldn't even talk to him after.
Let me get that. Bro, that is the crazy experience, bro. I'm scared to get on a regular plane now, bro.
God, the whole time, like, yo, if this shit breaks a little bit, we're both dead. Like,
Bro.
we're all the way
Bro,
dead.
I was getting that the whole time, bro.
I'm like, Zay, run. I'm like, Zay, run.
At first he tapped me and cut my shoulders, bro. I thought he was about to tell me to jump. I thought the nigga about to
say?
I don't know.
No,
Bruh.
they kept going like
We
this.
are
Yeah, Jay,
facing this way.
The whole time these niggas like this. They're looking back like this. Bro, my nigga, what you?
They say something like, oh, I don't think we can do this. I'm like, I look at Freedom like, what you mean by that? Like, what you mean? So I'm just ready, like, all right, bet. I'm holding my thing, like, all right, what's up? I'm ready.
Yo, bro, that is scary. I've never been in my life, bro.
That's how I want to travel.
Oh, you're doing this.
That's this. Look, 1,000 likes, I'll go next.
1,000?
We have it. That's exactly why. 1,000 likes, I'll do it. Word to me. We'd probably like it. The dude probably liked it too.
Yo, he said. Yo, that guy said, I like when you resist.
Hey! Yo.